All right. Hey, my loves. I hope you guys are doing all right. I had a couple of quick things I wanted to share with you before the exam, since I didn't get to see some of most of you tonight. I understand the Wi-Fi's been out. I hope it's settled and better now. A couple of things I just wanted to remind you of. So first thing, for less than things to remember, make sure you charge your calculator tonight, okay? If you need batteries, I will have some in my room tomorrow. I should be in my classroom after 9 o'clock or so. I have to take my son to school and then I'll be in. So if you need emotional support, last minute questions, or you need to either charge your calculator or change the batteries, I'll have extra chargers in there as well as extra batteries. So come find me if you need that. Second thing, please go to sleep. Do not stay up late. At this point, it's not going to help. You either know it or you don't. So go to bed and get a good night's sleep. Along with that, please make sure that you eat something tomorrow. All right. If you go into food comas, please go ahead and maybe eat around 10. There were plenty of protein bars and stuff like that left Friday afternoon after the psych exam. So there's going to be plenty of snacks for you guys. So don't worry about that. But go ahead and eat something real for breakfast. Have a good breakfast. Make sure you're hydrating tonight. Hydrate in the morning. Caffeine is fine, but make sure you're alternating it with water. Okay. And then don't forget, you guys are all statistically significant, and I love you very much. So I have one thing to share with you really quickly. The folks that were able to come tonight heard a version of this. I've tweaked it once again, but I wanted to give you one reading before I let you go. So I would like to read to you, "'Twas the night before the statistics exam. 'Twas the night before statistics, when all through the land every student was studying to gain full command of surveys, experiments, probabilities, and stats, and trying to remember the peas with the hats. Reviewing, relearning, and strengthening skills, the evening was filled with unending thrills, constructing, describing, interpreting plots, bars, curves, and boxes, and graphs made of dots. When the bivariate data formed such a scatter, they looked at it closely to see what was the matter. Was it positive, negative, strong, or weak? Was there a point that was an outlier, a high leverage? Oh, freak? And just when they had thought they had come very far, they remembered the importance of R squared and R, explaining residuals, interpreting slope, describing relationships, and holding out hope. Go Abigail and Jesse. A big cheer for Josie. Our Ian and Matilda have got what it takes. High fives, Nick and Asia. A shout out to Jack. I believe in you all and know you'll fly high. Fly high to the top of the bell curve, all the way to the right. Keep going, you're outliers. Be happy tonight." The students worked carefully, maintaining traditions, testing hypotheses, and meeting conditions. Beyond expectations, their confidence grew. They conquered the topics and knew just what to do. Binomial, geometric, continuous, discrete, remembering to always put shape, center, and spread on their feet. Confidence intervals and margins of error, never experiencing a moment of terror. In a faraway land, but close to their hearts, their teacher was confident in all of their smarts. She thought of them fondly, sending each one a cheer. "You are the best ever. 'Twas such a great year." Then, placing her running shoes over her toes, she set off on a walk. Up the hillside she rose, and I heard her explain as she moved out of sight, "If the tail's toward the positive, it's skewed to the right." I apologize that I couldn't get everybody's name in there. So being me, I used the random number generator to figure out who went in there. So please don't be offended if your name didn't make it in. But I love you all. I know you're going to rock this. So get some sleep, take care of yourselves, and I'll see you before your exam tomorrow. Love y'all. Be good.